Good morning, everyone. So now let's continue the remaining topics of the chapter number 9, more on internet. The very first topic over here is searching information. The internet contains millions of the websites that help us to reach information about almost all the topics we can think about. This information can be about people, places, food, education, cars, gadgets, and many more. So if you know the website address of any website, then you can open it very easily. For example, you want to get some information about your school. So you can directly open a school website and then you may get the information. In the same way, there are many websites, or these days website almost about each and everything. Now you want to get some information about Samsung mobiles, so you can open the Samsung website and you can get the information. But sometimes it happens that we don't know the web address of a particular website. Then for that purpose we have to use search engine. If you want to search any information on the internet, then we have to use search engine. Then the question is, what is search engine? So search engine is a computer program that searches the internet for the desired information. There are some of very popular search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, DuckDuckGo. So now I will show you the images of all these, of some of these web browsers. So here these are the examples of the some search engines which are used for searching information. Now I will explain you that how we can search information by the web browser. Now for example, first see the steps as it is given in the book, and then I will explain you the step 2. Now, so we were here on this topic. There are different search engines: Google, Ask, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, AOL.com, Bing, and many more. So searching information on internet. If you want to search information, that's what you have to do. As we have learned, search engines are used to search required information on internet. We use these steps to search information and open a link out of a list of the displayed hyperlinks. And what are those steps? These steps are: open a search engine, type the thing or the term required to be searched, click on a search button. We can see a number of links appear, and the last step is choose a link out of many choices and click on it to open the web page. So these are the steps. Now I will show you that how we have to do it. So first we have to open any search engine. For example, here I am opening Google. After opening Google, here it is written, as you can see, search Google or type a URL. Now for example, I don't know the website address and I want to get some information. That for this purpose I am using this search engine. Now for example, I want to get some information about Taj Mahal. Here I am not specified that either I want the information about Taj Mahal or monument, or I want information about Taj Mahal hotel, which is situated in Mumbai. So here I have written only Taj Mahal, and now you can see that different information about different hyperlinks are coming on the screen. So this blue text which is underlined, and as I'm bringing cursor on it, it changes into pointed finger, is known as hyperlink. Now you can see there are many hyperlinks coming. I will scroll it down and you can see many more, and along with the images, because here I have written only the word Taj Mahal. So information about the Taj Mahal is displaying on the screen. So in this way, now here you will notice that one more hyperlink is coming here, that is 5-star hotel in Mumbai, Taj Mahal Palace. So here wherever the word Taj Mahal is coming, all the related hyperlinks will display on the screen. But if you are specific about that, you want to get the information about only the monument Taj Mahal, then you have to write down about that. Like Taj Mahal Agra you can write down, or Taj Mahal monument. So like this, if you will write it, then it will show you all the information regarding that. Okay, so you have to be very specific about that what the information you want to search, so that information will be displayed on the screen. And then you have to click on the appropriate hyperlink for getting the information. Now for example, here Taj Mahal World Monument fund. Okay, it is about the funding of it. Here there is information about from the Wikipedia about the Taj Mahal. So you may click on it, and then it will show you all the related information about the Taj Mahal. Then whatever the information is needed, whatever the information is required, you can get that information. Now let's move to the next topic, that is opening text from copying text from a web page. Sometimes it has happened that we don't want to save the entire web page. We need only some specific text. Then what we have to do for this? We can use these tabs to copy text from a web page. Drag the mouse on the text desired to be copied to select it. Right click to select copy option. Third step, open the document required to be pasted in, for example, MS Word. Step 4, right click and select paste option, and then we see the copy text is pasted in the document. So these are the steps that we have to follow. Now take this example. Now for example, I like this information and I want to copy this information. Then what I have to do? First I have to select it. Okay, so by dragging I can select, by triple click I can select. Now for example, I want the next paragraph also. So what I have to do, that I have to select this, and then I have to select this paragraph. After selecting, right click on it. As we right click on it, then copy option is here. We can use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C also, as it is written here. Now the text is copied. After copying the text, then open MS Word by search, or simple by selecting it. Okay, so here I'm simply searching it so it can open faster. Now after this, when we do it, then MS Word document get appears. Now we have to paste it. Right click and then select the option paste, so it will get pasted, as you can see it over here. For pasting, you can use keyboard shortcut also, that is Ctrl+V, so the text will get pasted. If you want to make some correction to it, like alignment you want to change, color you want to change, so that you can do it afterwards. Like here I have changed this alignment to justify. I want to change the color to red. So in this way we can apply the changes. Okay, now after this, the next topic which we are having over here is saving an image from a web page. Now sometimes it happens that we are making some assignment and we need some images, and you want to save those images in your computer, and you want to use those images you are not having in your computer. Then what you have to do, take the same example of this information. Now for example, we have opened this Taj Mahal information and there's a lot of information over here. Now we want to get some images also, like you like this image and you want to save it. So right click on the image, there is an option save image as. So click on this option. As you click on this option, a dialog box will display on the screen. As you can see, save as dialog box is there. Where you want to save the image, you have to change the location. Like I want to save it on the desktop, so I have to select desktop. If you want to save somewhere else, you have to change the location. Some name will automatically be displayed there, and if you want to change the name, like I want the name of this image as Taj Mahal, so type the name of the image, then click on the save button, and the image will save in your computer system. Now I will show you that we are having the image on the desktop. Okay, and then when we it will be saved on the desktop. Now you can see there's an image Taj Mahal displaying on the screen. As I open, then the image will be displayed. The image will display in its original size. The image which I have saved was of the small size, so a small image will display. If the image size is big, so that big image will display on the screen. So these are the steps which I had followed for saving an image. That is, open the search engine and click on image. Type the name of the image required to be searched. They are telling you all the steps from the beginning. Now for example, directly I have taken from the open web page, and if you want to open a particular image, now take this another example. Now for example, I want to get an image of the lotus temple. So first I have to open search engine. After this, lotus temple. After typing lotus temple, I just have to press the enter key. So even the spelling mistakes are there, does not make any difference. So now here some text is coming and images is coming. I just want to get some images only, so I have to click on the images option, and now you can see that only images of the lotus temples are coming. There are many images over here. Then whatever the image you like. Now for example, I want this image, so first I have to open it. Now the image is open in a bigger size. Click on it, right click on it, press the mouse right button, select the option save image as. So dialog box will display on the screen. I want to save it on the desktop, then change the name. Okay, if you want to save it with the same name, fine, no problem. Then click on the save button and the image will save on the desktop. Now we can open it, and now you can see this time I have saved a big image, so that image is coming on the screen in its original size. So in this way we have to save the image. Steps are given over here. Open a search engine, click on the images, type the name of the image required to be searched, click on the search image button, or directly you can press the enter key. We can see many images appear. Open and right click on the desired image and select save picture as or save image as. It is same thing, please don't get confused from it. In some web browser the option is save picture as, and some web browser it is say save image as, so it is the same thing. Select the folder location in the save picture dialog box. Okay, here it was showing the save as, does not make any difference. Then type the name of the image and click on the save button. So in this way we can save the image in our computer from a web page. Now the next topic which we are having is finding people. We can find people on internet on social networking websites. People include our relatives, friends, celebrities and others. Some of the popular social networking websites to find people on the internet are facebook.com, whitepages.com, people.com, friendsfeed.com. We should have a profile of the person on the respective website to find him or her. So these are some of the websites where you can find your relatives and your old friends. And then yes, of course, one thing is important, that person must be there on that particular website. Okay, so that information will be displayed on the screen. Now last, I'm just trying to show, because the first I'm opening facebook.com. now here just displaying, there's a setting like that, it is everything is coming in the Hindi setting. Somebody has, maybe at my home somebody has changed the setting of the languages. Okay, so if it will ask for your username and the password, person have to enter the correct username and the password, and only then the particular required information person can search the information. I'm opening another web browser. Let's www, you can see Even here the language is changed. I have to change the language. Maybe it's browsers, there's some setting done. Okay, I have to scroll it down for getting English language, English US or English UK. Now the language changed. So I have to enter the address through which the email address Facebook ID was created. Then log in. Okay, this web browser is not supported by the web browser. As you can see, unsupported browser. You are using a browser that is not supported by the Facebook. Okay, you have directly to the, so there's a problem over here. It cannot be searched. It's simple and easy. Even through the mobile you can do it. I'm not going in detail that how you have to do it. The very first, the things which you have to understand is that there are the websites, social networking websites, which can be used for getting the information of the finding the information of the different people. But yes, of course, that person profile must be there on that particular website, only you can find it. And if the person profile is not there on that particular website, that information, no information will be displayed with that person. One more thing is there, that with the same name on Facebook or these websites, you will find that there are hundreds of the people are there with the same name. So you have to be very conscious when you are finding the your friends or somebody, your relatives, because the persons, there are hundreds of the persons are there with the same name. Even like, for example, if I search Zeba Anjum, so there is a long list of the names will be displayed on the screen. So you have to be very careful when you want to get the information about your friends and relatives. So students, here we have completed this chapter. This is the last chapter, and now on next turn we will share question answer of this.